Nay! May gagawin akong speech mamaya sa online video call namin ni teacher, Nay. Tapos ikaw lang yung tagahawak naman ng paper sa likod ng camera, Nay, ha? Para hindi na ako mag-memorize pa sa mga speech. Sige, anak. Oo, ayun, natawag na si teacher. Good morning, ma'am. You may now start the speech, Philip. The climate change is a long-term change and Oo, Mare. Yeah. Mamaya na ba? What's that noise, Philip? Ano, mama? It's just the wind, ma'am. Yes. The wind of change, ma'am. Yes.
Nay, hindi ko mabasa yung nasa Manila paper, Nay.
Totoo sila sa doon. Totoo, ma'am. Sige, go. Laban tayo, ma'am. Sige, go. Go ako dyan. Nakita mo, may katawag yung nanay mo, anak? Respeto naman, oh. May tao ba dyan? Ano, ma'am? It's just our cat, ma'am, playing with the wind. Yes. Agulaban.
Lead me, Lord,